I have just left my hotel in Altamont, Illinois, and I am headed kind of in a southeasterly direction. It occurred to me that going along I-50 will put me in a direct route with Cincinnati, where I can pick up a trail that I have always wanted to do. You can see it's very windy, pretty stiff headwind out here. And I think the wind's only going to get stronger. There's a storm coming in tonight, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. And the winds are going to continue through the next day. So I'm hoping to get in a good ride today and then take a rest and wait out this weather that's coming in. So yeah. All right, Myrtle. Oh, let's go. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. I have just turned off of a busier road onto some farm roads. I'm going to be taking these little roads to Olney today. It's on Olney is on Highway 50, and Highway 50 has the distinction of being called the loneliest highway in America, and it also follows the old Pony Express route. I am following the example of a couple of cyclists that did a tour cross country east to west, and they pretty much followed Highway 50 and then just taking adjacent, smaller, quieter farm roads. And I have to say, the last couple of days that I've done this, it's worked out very well. So yeah, we'll see what today brings. Crossing the railroad tracks. Got a red light in that direction. Yeah, look at this. They're like ready to fill the train cars. Hello, cow friends. Just having a little lay down, huh? Ah, hi, you guys. Hi, just come over to say hi. Oh, look at you guys. Oh, you don't have to get up. Pretty nice out here, guys. You got nice grass too. I think I'm gonna have to pull over here, let this guy pass. Sometimes you just have to share the road. Ammonia. All right, see you later, farmer. Looks like I've got a car coming up behind me, but he can get past me pretty easily. Ah, looks like I'm going over a creek. Very pretty. Very pretty area. Sometimes riding on these farm roads, I'm getting a strong smell of onions growing in the fields. And sometimes, like now, I'm getting a very strong smell of pig manure. Oh boy, foul. This is just a foul smell. But we all love our bacon. Your speed 11. It's 12:04. Coming into Louisville, Illinois. Oh my goodness, got something very big coming down the road. I think I'm gonna pull over here into this street. Let this guy pass safely. I made it to Olney, Illinois today. Just had a fabulous ride. I am loving the small, quiet farm roads that I've been taking in southern Illinois. I did just about 60 miles, 1,000 feet of climbing. Just loving going through these very small communities, and then the roads themselves are paved in good shape. I think today the most traffic that I had was actual farmers moving very big equipment from field to field. Seems like it's getting to be planting season. And the other big thing that happened was I got the same error code on my electric assist that I got on the Katy Trail a week ago. And just like the last time, I got out my alcohol wipe and Q-tips and I just cleaned the connections from the battery to in the mount, and it seemed to solve the problem. So, I've had this electric assist for about 3.5 years, and every issue I've ever had with it, I've been able to solve by cleaning the connections. So hopefully that will continue. I've checked into a hotel for 2 nights. It's supposed to start raining tonight and then all day tomorrow. And then the next day, the winds are forecast to be 25, 30 miles an hour. So I may be here for 3 nights. I'll assess that on the third morning. And then the other thing is, I've really got to give you guys just a huge shout out. All the support, the comments, the contributions, the donations, you are really a big part of this tour. And it's just been so much fun for me. And I just am very, very thankful and appreciate all of it. So thanks, you guys. Thanks for following along, and welcome to Olney, Illinois.